The mudroom in your home doesn't have to be so muddy. It can be clean, beautiful, tidy. Yes, tidy. Right, Erin?
It should be clean and tidy.
Yes.
Hi, Erin.
We've got Erin Moore here from California Closets. You always have the best ideas.
Thank you.
And you were telling us about this for mudrooms and maybe the fronts of lockers. I loved your idea and your tip about it.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, a lot of times with mudrooms and lockers, it's something where the children are storing their things. And open storage kind of creates a forced organization for them.
Right.
So if you have the open cubbies, the open lockers, it forces them to put things in their place, and you can still make it fun. I mean, I've got some really colorful things here, and we can dress it up a little and have it be a space that the kids enjoy.
So
I really like
lockers and
this. It reminds me of a box of crayons.
Yes.
You know, they just sort of exploded. So kids would love that.
Well, kids' lockers and mudrooms can be a fun space instead of just a bunch of ugly stuff.
Yeah.
This helps them do that, and it's sort of creative at the same time.
It does.
Well, and usually it is that room like right off the garage.
Right.
You're just coming in, so it helps
Sets
you
the
get
tone,
organized.
yeah.
It sets the tone, right?
Absolutely.
Along with all the storage and things that California Closets does, there's still that creative aspect to even make a kid's locker or a mudroom fun.
Use
Congratulations on the new showroom.
Thank
You're going to be
you.
opening up in Carmel, Rangeline Road, right? And Main Street.
Rangeline and Main Street, yeah, we're very excited.
Lots of creative ideas with California Closets. You guys are such fabulous design consultants. So, okay, now I know what I want for my mudroom.
Okay.
Going with the explosion of the crayon box here.
Okay, I'm going to go with open concept because I'm very tight
Yes, you are.
and organized.
Go to stylewithbarryandjoni.com.